Hello again everyone, and welcome to the next instalment of our diesel heater fitting series. Yes, I know it's been going on a little bit, but we'll get there, damn it, we'll get there. Well, this has been clamped up all week actually, so the glue should definitely be dry. Let's unclamp it and see if it's all taken nicely. Right, so well, there it sits with the box positioned round it, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut a couple of little blocks off this stick as mounting blocks for it. So there we go, that's where those two blocks will be positioned. So I'm just going to draw around them, and then I'll move this out of the way and then drill them down into that ply plate. Lovely. Right, now I've marked the approximate position there. I'm just going to measure that exactly, and then I'm going to drill some holes through there for the fixing screws. Right, now let's screw it into position, at least for the first time. Right, so now I just need to measure the size of the ply top I need to cut, and that will be 120. Check the other end, just make sure that's not minimal. That's 120 by 480. Well, would you believe I've scoured the garage and I've got nothing suitable to cut that out of. Everything is either too big and heavy, or not long enough, or not wide enough, or yeah. So I think I'm gonna pack the bikes away and then head into maybe B&Q or somewhere, pick up some 3mm ply or 6mm ply, don't know. Yeah, anyway, some thin ply. Well, just got back from B&Q and I've got a nice bit of plywood to cut that out of, so let's go and do that now. You coming, boy, or are you staying there? Right, let's get this done, shall we? Right, now we're just gonna pin that on with a little bit of glue. While we're at B&Q, I also found some nice corner edging trim. So I'm going to cut that with the miter saw and glue that round as well. Right, as well as that little bit of trim, I've added a little batten along there just to provide some rigidity on the back edge of that top piece. It's about 6 o'clock now and time for me dinner. I'm going to let this dry and perhaps carry on with it tomorrow. Well, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. Give the like button a press. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see some more.